So this is Bunjo. Don't forget to press like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell notification for more of my videos. So every time I drop a new video, you be the first one to see it. Yeah, so this video is gonna be about me traveling to Argentina from Croatia as a Canadian with my cat Kraken. I'm gonna show you a few things that I have to take with me on the plane. So this is gonna be a short video, I think. So all my clothes and shoes and all that stuff is in my suitcase, right? Because I'm going there for about a year, so I gotta bring some stuff. So I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of what's in my suitcase and what I'm bringing on the plane. So first off is Kraken's carrier with Kraken. Second off is Tego, a bunch of face masks. Then I'm bringing my headphones, my iPad, 2 phones, my GoPro stick, Kraken's food for when we land in Argentina, I can feed him, a little water dish in case he gets thirsty, 2 pairs of sunglasses, charging cords, a selfie stick detonator, a JBL audio flip. I know I can bring these few things in my suitcase, but I don't want to risk them getting stolen. Charger, a bank for charging, a power bank, plastic bags in case Kraken's poos and I have to clean it up and throw out his poo, a notepad with pens, and baby wipes in case Kraken poos. And also, I want to wipe down my seat area because it's COVID stuff, and I just don't like the germs on my seat because I know the stewardess, they don't do that good of a job cleaning up anyways in between flights because they don't have enough time usually. And then I got this little Skittles case that has actually all my GoPro batteries in there, my extra batteries, my little phone poker to take out my SD card. And then I got my puppy pads. These are puppy pads for the liner of Kraken's carrier. So in case he poos, I can take the liner out, throw it in a plastic bag, and then throw it out in the garbage. Simple, right? So, and then I got my mouse, my computer to do my work when I'm vlogging, and his leash and collar so I can take him for a walk on layovers. And so that's basically a rundown of what I'm bringing, my necessities, and the things that I don't want stolen as they're going through customs in my suitcase. And a few other things I'm going to bring is like maybe a couple potato chips, maybe buy some snacks at the airport in Zagreb, and all my paperwork, my documentation, which is a binder full of papers like this. My cash will be on me, and I might have a fag bag or a man purse to keep my cash and all my keys, my house keys, because I got to close down my house. I got to do all these things. So now I'll see you guys in Argentina. Thank you for watching. This is Bunjo. This is the Bunjo Show. This is not your show. I traded the 905 for G-O-O-O. This is Bunjo Show.